everyone, it's June Penny and welcome back to my channel. And before I get started, let me give you all a big ol' hug and tell you all how much I love and appreciate you all. And I mean that very well. You guys know how I'm always talking about how to revitalize your scalp, get the blood flow going, but we never really talk about split ends and the breakage of the hair on the bottom, which is so important because your hair breaks off so easily if you do not take care of it. So today's video is going to be about 3 little ingredients you probably have in the house that is going to wake up your ends and keep them nice and moisturized. So if this video interests you, just keep watching. Okay, so the ingredients that you need are 2 egg yolks. I have 1 in here. I'm gonna put another in there. You need a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and you need warmed up honey. So right now I got my honey in a nice cup of hot water. I'm gonna wait a few minutes until it gets nice and warm, and then we're gonna put the ingredients together and then on to my split end. So okay, the honey is nice and warm. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon, look how easy that comes out. This hair mask is great because it nourishes your hair, especially the split ends. Now you could do your whole head, but right now I'm just going to work on my frizzy split end hair. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon, nice heaping tablespoon of olive oil. You can double this recipe if you have very, very thick hair. And now I'm just going to mix it up. Mix it up well. Yeah, this has biotin in it, vitamin A, vitamin E. So this is so good, and it helps with hair fall, hair breakage. So that's what you want to do, especially, you know me, I'm always concentrating on the scalp, but you have to take care of the ends. The ends are very important as well. So that's what this video is about. So it's nice and combined. You see how combined it is. Now I'm going to put it on my hair. Okay, so look how frizzy, dry my split ends look. This is going to repair it like almost instantly. It's going to retain so much moisture in your hair, and you want to do this a couple of times a week, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so you have an egg mixture. Now, you can dip your hair in here. Let me show you how to dip it. Make sure you're wearing a shirt that you really don't care about. Split your hair down the middle, in the back. Take 1 side like so, and you can basically just dip it. Get it in there. Don't saturate it in here, otherwise the whole egg mixture will be in one part of your hair, and you're going to quickly because it will go all over. If you're doing this and the floor is on the bottom of you could do it over a sink, in the tub, and this is what you're doing. You're concentrating on those ends, okay? You can do, if you have enough, by all means, run your fingers through your hair, but this is going to get a little bit sticky, so you want to saturate. This is so important. You could dip your fingers in there and do it. Yeah, I'm always talking about taking care of the scalp. Take care of the scalp. We need to take care of this. This is part of our hair too. Okay, taking the other side. Throw that aside. Do not fall asleep with this. Yeah, you'll wake up to kind of like an eggy mess. Like, it'll dry out. So you want to keep this in. Keep this in 15 minutes. You can keep it up until an hour. You really don't have to do any more than that. I'm gonna soak this. I have a lot more egg mixture left. Now you guys know that I'm doing the bone marrow for my scalp. So I'm not doing that today because I just started the bone marrow, so I'm trying to keep that down to a few times a week. So this is in between the bone marrow hair treatment, and if you want to see that, I'll have a video up here. You'll see it. I think it was at the beginning of the video, or maybe it's up here now. Okay, so I am done. My hair is saturated. Let me wash my hands. Well, actually, yeah, let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. So I know, don't mind the way I look. Okay, so I got a disposable hair cap. Now, you want to put this in a hair cap, but I showed you in my last video how I have a thermal cap, which I love, but you really don't need a thermal cap. You can use a regular hair cap, or you can use a, this is nice and warm. You can use a bag, a plastic bag, anything you want. But I do have this thermal cap, which I put in the microwave for about a minute. It's filled with flaxseed. I am going to put this on my head. This will help it so much because heat is always good for this type of hair mask. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit like this, and then I'm going to wash it out in the shower, and then I will show you when my hair is done. You'll see the difference. I'm telling you, instantly, first day, you will see the difference. So stay right there, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my hair is dry, and I have to tell you guys, I love it. I love it. My hair is still a little wet, so I'm just letting it dry naturally. I'm trying not to put any heat on it because heat damages your hair. And yeah, so I'm bringing back my curls. You know, I'm bringing my curls back to life. Yeah, and you could do this. It's good for any hair type. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Just subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Did I say that already? I think I did. Anyway, you guys, I will see you all in my next video.